Hi everyone, it's HandyAndy Tech Tips here. So the end of support for Windows 10 is October 2025, and after that date, Microsoft is going to make you pay $61 per year to get security updates. Now that's a bit of a pain, because Windows 11 system requirements are notoriously strict. For example, I have a PC with a 6th gen Core i7 processor and a GTX 1060 graphics card, and Microsoft says that's too old. But instead of throwing my PC away, I found a hack to install Windows 11 on it, and it's actually working perfectly. Let me show you how to do it. Firstly, go to this page on Microsoft's website. The link is in the description. Scroll down to the section where it says Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Select the Multi-Edition ISO option and click Download. Choose your language, in my case it's US English, and then the ISO will begin downloading to your system. Once that's done, you'll want to check whether your system has a TPM or Trusted Platform module. To do this, open up the Run dialog with Windows key and R, and type tpm.msc and hit Enter. This will bring up the Microsoft Management Console. Now, make sure that it says that the TPM is ready for use. If it doesn't, then you can check out my earlier video and see whether you can enable this feature in your system's BIOS. Now, in terms of the TPM version, this hack will work if you have a TPM version 1.2, but to make sure you keep getting Windows updates in the future, I think that the TPM 2.0 is probably the best, and you can see that's what my processor has. Okay, now for the main event. This is the hack. So we're going to be editing the registry, which can be a bit of a risky procedure, so I would recommend that if you don't have a current backup of your system, you should make one before proceeding with this step. So go to the Run dialog again and type regedit and hit Enter. In the registry editor, you'll want to navigate down this tree structure of folders. So you want to go into HKey local machine, then System, then Setup, and then Mo Setup. In there, you'll want to create a new dword value called Allow Upgrades with Unsupported TPM or CPU, and you need to use that exact capitalization you see there, and you need to set it to 1. So you can see I already have it, the value there, but in order to create a new value in the registry editor, you just right click and go to New dword 32-bit value, give it the proper name, and then double click on it and set the value data field here to 1, and then hit OK. Congratulations, you're done. Now you can go into that ISO file that you downloaded earlier and run the setup, and it should report no errors and allow you to upgrade your officially unsupported Windows 10 computer to Windows 11. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. I'm HandyAndy and thank you so much for watching.